doing studies also, right? So have you seen my previous lecture? I am damn sure that you all have saw my previous lecture. In our previous lecture we already started chapter number 6, my neighborhood. Chapter number 6, my neighborhood. Okay, so in this chapter I already made you learn that what is neighbor and what is neighborhood, right? So dear students, see, now where we are living with our family in houses, right? And different families are living in same house, huh? Different families are living same house. No, they are not living in same house. They are living in different houses, right? So families are living in different houses around us. Am I right? Are you agree with me? Yes, families are living in different houses around us. These families are what? These families are our neighbor, right? Okay, let it be. Now I am going to explain first the meaning of neighbor and neighborhood. Sorry. Neighbor. Okay, and neighbor hood. Neighbor and neighborhood. So in this chapter, dear students, we are going to learn about neighborhood. But before starts learning in neighborhood, we should come to know, must know about this word neighbor, right? So what is the mean by neighbor? Neighbor, we can say in Hindi neighbor means padosi, है ना? Neighbor means padosi. Okay, families which are living around us, families which are living around us. Okay, so family which are living around us, we call them neighbors. We call them what? We call them neighbors. Neighbors means padosi. Persons, those who are living around us. Persons, those who are living around us in same area, in same colony, in same mohalla, in same gully, they all are our neighbors. समझ में आया? Understand? Yes. See dear students, neighbors plays very important role in our daily life. neighbors play very important role in our daily life. So it is very necessary to have good neighbors around us. Understand? Understand? Hope you understand well. है ना? Neighbors should be good. Neighbors should have strong bonding with you and your family. We always have good relationship with our neighbors. Always बेटा, always हमेशा पड़ोसी के साथ हमारे अच्छे रिलेशन होना इट्स वेरी नेसेसरी टू अस. If we don't have good relationship with our neighbors, then definitely we will face so many problems in our day-to-day life. Are you understanding? Okay, I will give you a small example so you can understand better. See, if we don't have a good relationship with our neighbors, it means what? It means what? It means we will face lots of trouble. Are you getting my point? अगर पड़ोसियों के साथ हमारे अच्छे रिलेशंस नहीं होंगे तो डेफिनेटली वी कांट लिव आवर लाइफ हैप्पीली. So it is very necessary, it is very required to live a happy life with good relationship from our neighbors. Understand? Because in case neighbors can be a cause of fighting in future. Neighbors can create so many problems. So many problems. Okay, I will give you example so you can understand better. See, अगर पड़ोसी के साथ हमारे रिलेशन अच्छे नहीं होंगे, so he or she can create so many problems which we should face, which we have to face. है ना? They can throw the garbage in our houses. है ना? While making their houses, while constructions, they can create the problems. है ना? So it is the big cause of fighting. If we don't have the good relationship from our neighbors, so it can be a cause of fighting, right? So it is very necessary to have good relationship with our neighbors, right? Because ultimately you are the part of that society where you are living. So it is very necessary to have good relationship with your neighbors, because we all are human beings and we always need support from each other. We always need support from each another, right? So it is very necessary for all of us, not only for you, for all of us, including me also. We should have good relationship with our neighbors. So here I want to explain you is that neighbor is a different word, different meaning, and neighborhood is a different word and different meaning. Okay, so understand. See, I will give you an example. Can you tell me what kind of relations you have with your neighbors? Of course you have good relationship. Your parents have good relationship with your neighbors. if you don't have the good relationship, then your neighbors can create so many problems in your daily life. See, suppose at your home you have the study time, है ना, आपके पढ़ाई करने का समय हो गया, then neighbors can create a problem. अब दिस क्वेश्चन इज क्लिक इन योर माइंड, मैम ने अगर मेरी पढ़ाई का टाइम हुआ तो मेरे पड़ोसी कैसे प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करेंगे? इफ़ यू डोंट हैव द गुड रिलेशन दे कैन क्रिएट द प्रॉब्लम्स. आपकी पढ़ाई का समय होगा तो वो बहुत तेज़ आवाज़ में गाने बजाना शुरू कर देंगे, आपके घर के सामने खड़े होकर ढेर सारी बातें करेंगे, गॉसिप करेंगे, कुछ भी अनर्गल एक्शंस कर सकते हैं. सो you will have lots of problem. It is very much necessary to have good relationship with your neighbors, because ultimately if we have any problem, then who will come first before our relatives? Relatives तो are living very far from our houses. Relatives तो living are in different cities, in different towns. But an incident has happened in your family, then who will come first for help? Of course, neighbors. Neighbor will come first to help you. Okay, so what point you will remember over here? Always have good relation with your neighbor. Okay, so now I will explain what is neighborhood. Now I will come on this topic and we will discuss about neighborhood. Right? So what is neighborhood? Neighbor means the padosi or some families which they are living in around our houses. But neighborhood means some places. Neighborhood means the surrounding area where we all are living. The area near our house is called neighborhood. Okay, the area nearby our house is called neighborhood. Is called neighborhood. Right? Understand? Neighbor means the families. Here neighbor means the families, those who are living around our houses. And neighborhood means the place. Neighborhood means the area where we are living. That is called neighborhood. That is called neighborhood. Dear students, no need to write in your copy in your notebook. आपको इसे कॉपी में नहीं लिखना है. I wrote for explanation only. मैंने आपको समझाने के लिए ये चीजें लिखी है. So no need to write in your notebook. Here we are understanding the difference between a neighbor and neighborhood. Okay, so you no need to write in your notebook, especially Naksh Chauhan from Jamli. No need to write in your notebook. Whatever I explain, you wrote in your notebook. No, when I tell you to write in your notebook, then only you will write. Otherwise, no need to write. जब मैं आपको कहूँगी कि आपको इसे कॉपी में लिखना है, then only you will write. Otherwise, no need to write. Okay? Understand? Hope you understand well. And in my previous lecture, I told you about the neighborhood places. I told you, I already explained you much of thing in my previous lecture, which is related with neighborhood. Right? So Here I am going to rub this wala. Okay, I am going to rub this wala part, because this part I explained you. This part I explained you, right? So we will discuss about the neighborhood. Okay, so I am going to, this wala bhi I have to rub better, otherwise I will not get place for explanation. Okay, now neighborhood. I already told you what is neighborhood. What is neighborhood? This question is click in your mind. What is neighborhood? So neighborhood is our surrounding area where we all are living. Okay, so we can divide neighborhood into two parts. We can divide this neighborhood into two parts. Okay, now let's see what are these two parts. First one is natural neighborhood. First one is natural neighborhood. First one is natural neighborhood. Understand? And second one is man-made neighborhood. Second one is man-made neighborhood. Okay. So, in this category, how many things will come? I already explained you in my previous lecture. Or we can say natural features also. We can say natural features and man-made features. Okay, so both are right. Neighborhood or features, both are right. Okay, so natural features means we get all these features from nature only, and our life is totally incompleted without all these features. Without all these features. So how many things are coming in this? Yes, all the things which nature provides us, all will come in this category, like hills, plants, trees, river, lake, mountain, and many more. And many more. Right? And see, dear students, natural beauty is always admirable. Natural beauty is always admirable. It means that whatever we get from the nature, it is very useful to us, it is very beautiful to us. है ना? When I will give you example, when we will go for roaming, then what we will do first? We will go on a hill station, or we will go on on mountain area. For what? To see the natural beauty. To see the natural beauty, especially in the rainy season. Rainy season is the most beautiful season where we can see the natural beauty. That's why when rainy season will come, we will go on Jamgate. So why we are going on Jamgate? So where we can see so many beautiful pictures. And Mandu also, because Mandu also have the natural beauty. So we are going over there because we all are admirer of natural beauty. So this is all the natural features which nature give us. And here I will write some more things what made for our life to make it more smooth and convenient. है ना? So I will write the man-made features, or you can say the artificial features or man-made neighborhoods. So I will write some names over here. We will start with bank, post office, and police station, and hospital, and yes, your favorite park or garden, right? So these all are our neighborhood places. These all are our man-made features which we made to make our life more convenient, which we made to make our life more smooth. Okay, so as a human being, we all this, when we will construct a house na beta, or when we are going to build a house, जब भी कभी हम घर बनाने के बारे में सोचते हैं, then definitely first what we will see. Suppose your parents in a mood to build a house, है ना? This example I am giving you. Suppose your parents in a mood to build a house or construct a house, then first what your parents will see? What they will see first? They will see the location of the plot where they are going to construct a house, है ना? So they will see my house, I am going to make my house, so my house should be in a proper location where I can find the bank easily, where I can find the post office easily, where I can find the hospital easily, where I can find the market. Yes, I forget to write market, where I can get all the daily routine things. So as a person, if I am in a mood to build a house, then definitely first I will see the location of my plot. Where is my plot? And first thing which comes is in my mind is that about the neighbors. अगर मैं घर बनाऊंगी बेटा, तो सबसे पहले first thing is click in my mind that who are my neighbors? How are they? Are they good? Are they supportive? Are they helping? Are they good in behave? Which kind of families they are belonging? These all things we should keep in our mind when we will construct a house. Then we will come on second part. We will see Yeah, there is trees or not there, है ना, because tree gives us fresh air. So definitely we will see the natural resources also, natural features also. Apart from these natural resources, we will go with the neighborhood places also. If as a person I am going to build a house, then definitely I will look after all these things. I will look after all these things, because in our life we always go to a bank. We always go to bank. So it is necessary for me to have my house at least 1 or 2 kilometers nearby bank. Okay, then post office and bank always close. They don't have long distance between them. Then yes, police station, if Bhagwan na kare, but we are human beings, we can be in trouble. So who will take care of me and my family? Yes, of course, police. So it is necessary for me to protect my family members, to protect my house from thieves, from bad elements. So police station also should nearby my house. Then Bhagwan na kare, if we will sick, or if a family member of any family member of my family will sick, then we need to go to hospital. So hospital is a place where we can treat by a doctor. So it is very necessary to have a hospital nearby our house, right? And yes, all families as kids, whether you are small or big, everybody needs to go out for roaming, especially in the evening time. So it should be necessary to have a park or a garden in your colony, in your surrounding area where you are going to construct your house. Then of course market, because market is a place where we all are getting the things which we are using in our daily life. So market should be there, whether it is a fruit market, it is a vegetable market, cloth market, automobile market. So many kinds of markets are there in our life, and we always need to go to them. Then it should be necessary when we will construct a house, when we will build a house, our house should be nearby a market. Nobody wants to build a house, constructs a house in a forest. Jungle में कोई घर नहीं बनाता बेटा. Why? Because all these facilities are not over there. There is no electricity in the jungle. There is no police station. There are no police who protect you from thieves and all. There is no hospital in the jungle. If you will sick, who will take care of yourself, your family? There is no bank. If you have any urgent work, if you need money, then where you will go? If you want to play, there is no garden, there is no swing, no slide, nothing at all. So how you can play in a jungle? If you want to eat something, then how you will get the market in the jungle? There is no market. If you want to buy the clothes, if you want to buy the toys, if you want to buy your household things, then how you will get? There is no market in the jungle. So it is very necessary to have all these things in your houses, in your nearby house. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to learn about the post office, hospital and bank. Post office, hospital and bank. So from today only we will understand only this much. We will not going with the hospital, post office and the bank. Okay, today we will learn only this much. Today we will learn only this much. So once again, before and the lecture before and the class, I want to revise all these things whatever we learned in this chapter. Yes, chapter number 6 we already started my neighborhood, and in this chapter I made you learn different between a neighbor and neighborhood. Neighbor means families, those who are living around us. Families, those who are living around us, they all are our neighbors. We called them the neighbors, and we should have good relation with the neighbors. If we don't have the good relation with the neighbors, then definitely they will create the problems in our day-to-day life. So we will fed up with the neighbors. And neighborhood means the area where we all are living. Neighborhood means the area where we all are living. Okay, so in this category there are two kinds of things: natural features and man-made features. Natural features and man-made features. Right? So natural features in this category: hills, plants, trees, river, lake, mountain and many more things will come. These all are the natural beauty which we admire. And man-made feature: when we are going to construct a house, when we are going to build a house, then definitely we should keep all these things in our mind, that the location of our house, the society of our house, the neighbors of those who are living nearby our house, and the neighborhood places also. There should be a bank, there should be a post office, there should be a police station, there should be a hospital, there should be a park, should be garden, should be market and temple also. And temple also. Whether we are Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Buddhist, Isai, no issue. Temple, mosque, church, Gurudwara, all these things should be nearby our houses when we are going to build or construct our house. Right? Understand? Hope you all are very good students. Hope you understand well. Okay. So, no need to write all these things in your copy, in your notebook. आपको इसे copy में नहीं लिखना है. I wrote to explain only. So, I am going to rub all these things and I am giving a little work to you. I am giving a little work to you. Okay. So, let's see. What is your work? आपको क्या करना है? Make a list. Make a list of that work which you all are doing with your neighbors. This is your homework. This is your homework. Today I am giving you this homework. Make a list of that work which you all are doing with your neighbors. आपको ऐसे काम की लिस्ट बनाना है जिन कामों को आप अपने नेबर्स के साथ शेयर करते हो. Like if you have your birthday, so you have definitely party at your home, then definitely you will invite your neighbors for that party. है ना? If any festival will come, then definitely I am giving you a clue. आपको मैं बता रही हूँ कि आपको कैसे करना है. How you can prepare a list. If any festival is there, then what you are doing with your neighbors, you are celebrating that festival. You are exchanging gift and sweets from each other, wishing each other, celebrating festivals together. So you have to prepare a work list. Whatever you are doing with your neighbors, you have to make that list. You have to make that list and send me in our WhatsApp group. Okay, so till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself and love you, Bachcha Party. Bye.